EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows how to define the piping line format in the project setup. In the first line, the format is defined using a simple logic. Numbers from 1 to 9 correspond each one to a different parameter, and separation symbols between these numbers are delimiting each parameter. The meaning of each parameter is specified in the following options, each one corresponding to the parameter included in the line number format. The number 1 is, in this example, the diameter. Number 2 is the fluid. Number 3 is the area. And so forth. The following rules apply. Numbers must begin with the number 1 and must be consecutive. Only those required by the specific format are to be used. Separation symbols are those declared in the format. The length of each parameter is arbitrary, but limited to the maximum established for each parameter. As an example, let's modify the first symbol. The separation between the diameter and the area is now indicated by the /bar. Any symbol can be used. Let's look now at the second purpose of this window, how the isometric file name is automatically generated. There are two possibilities. The first one is totally automatic and uses a rule, which composes line definition parameters. For example, in this case, the area followed by underscore, followed by the consecutive line number. Of course, the composition of these parameters must generate a unique name in the project. Letters must also be included in the name. More details in the Help button. The other option is to get the file name from the column ISO name of the table corresponding to the P&ID Line List. This option could be used when the client specifies a given name for each isometric file.